Okay, YouTubers and all my Facebook people out there. So this is what I was talking about, how these kick panels and everything don't fit right in this aftermarket parts. Make sure that I'm on. Yeah, we're on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn you around and I'm going to show you what I'm doing here. And I'll show you what's going on with this part. All right. So here's the footwell. And making the piece for that. This is where the old bend was, where they pressed it right there. See that straight line? That was where the panel came over and folded over. And it's very one-dimensional. So the problem, or the difference is in the vehicle as opposed to the stamping of the part, is this curve here, and I still gotta do dolly and metal finish it out. But the curve here on their part goes straight. See how it goes straight like that? And on the truck, the application on the truck, and this is what I had to do that other footwell as well, is take this to make pieces for it. And I gotta cut and butt weld this, but this is actually more like that. So that's where it's gonna end up, somewhere right around that area, just like that. Because the curve right here is too shallow. This doesn't go all the way into the pinch weld, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. It's right down there, and I still gotta weld all that together and flatten it and dolly it. But I was working on the curve. See how the curve goes? And you can't go any more shallow on the curve. In other words, you can't go in that way because the splash shield, the apron, goes down there and bolts right to that. So you can't push it in any further. So, and then the edge just plug welds right to that edge. That's the seams. Plug welds there, plugs well here, plug well here, all the way up. You get the story. But the piece was way too shallow. So this is just working on the toe board piece with, I don't know if to call it the cowl extension or something. Anywho, yeah, that's what the problem is that this is way too shallow. It stops right there and then folds over. And this actually matches the curvature of that much better. So now I just got to do the fold over down. And I'll show you that in the next video. All right, peace out, people.